Alright, ladies. I had a couple of requests for an update on a couple of the three-wheelers I have, so I figured I'd give a quick update right here. This one is one that I finished recently. It's a 1986 Yamaha Tri-Z 250, complete frame-off rebuild I did. Took me a little while, but came out okay. With the green, a lot of people think it looks like the Takate, but I just wanted something a little bit different. These Tri-Zs are pretty good trikes. So pretty fun bike for sure. But here she is, all done, dialed in, complete rebuild. I went with the DG header pipe, the DG silencer right there, brand new. I completely rebuilt the engine. I believe I went with a 1/over bore with the piston. I can't remember, I have to check my notes, but I believe I went with a 1/over bore and piston on it. Added a spacer block for torque, brand new bikini carb, O-ring chain. So it came out pretty good. These are STI wheels, shredder, 20 by 11 10-inch tires, pretty good tires. On this one, I think I actually used the Banshee hubs, so that way I can get a better selection of wheel combos. So it's a Yamaha Banshee hub on there. The swinger, completely rebuilt, new bearings in there, new seals. Come on, alright. Oh, for the reservoir for the rear shock, I basically cut up a monster can with a JB roller there, and kind of give it a little bit of character. Make it pop out a little bit. So she's a fun bike for sure. Runs pretty darn good. New fender up front, graphics, racing cover. Rebuilt the forks. Let's see those. New oil. Pipe is awesome. Came out pretty darn good. It's a fun bike for sure. Check it out. She's a one kick start. Pretty much most of my stuff I try to make one kick, so see if she can get her started. One kick. That's good too. Go one kick. She runs good. Repainted the air box, added some graphics to it, put some clear coat over it, so that way it doesn't come off when you're washing it. It's not too bad. Maybe I'll get a video of her out in the mountains here soon, take her out and thrash her around a little bit. As far as my 350X, oh, there's another Toyota Suzuki 450. It's another story, but I'm just about done with this one too. Got the inverted forks all mounted up. Well, it's been mounted up for a while. KTM dirt bike forks on a Honda 350X. Got the motor in. about done with it. Got a couple of things that we do to wrap it all up. Like here, they cut and extended the swing arm 4 inches. This carrier used to sit right there, so we brought it out about that much. This 350X is a beast. Complete frame gusset kit all the way through. There, welded in. Custom made triples for the dirt bike forks. So 350X is a beast. But yeah, there's a Tri-Z. Runs good, spot on. I haven't really thrashed around in the field too much, but I'll try to take her off soon. Get some video of her rolling around in the fields or the mountains. So, fun bikes, man. If you guys ever come across one, scoop it up. Pretty easy to rebuild, so not too bad. New sprocket, got the tooth. I think I kept it holding in teeth. Fun bike, man. Should be fun. All right, ladies.